I'm Teresa Matic with Resource Investing News. I'm down at the Vancouver Resource Investment Conference. Here with me today is Greg Beischer, President and CEO of Millrock Resources and member of the Alaska Minerals Commission. Thank you for joining me.
Oh, thanks, Teresa. Thanks for inviting me.
So Millrock operates in Alaska. Could you tell me a little bit about the company and some other companies maybe?
Yeah, sure. I mean, Millrock's a company that my partner and I started. We live in Anchorage, Alaska. It's home. It's a venture exchange company, so we're listed here in Vancouver. But truly it's an Alaska company in most respects. It's our backyard. We know the minerals of the area, and we really like to promote them. So we've built an exploration business as geologists where we identify mineral prospects, but then always invite major company partners to participate in the early stage high-risk exploration. And so far it's worked out quite well. We've attracted quite a few major companies to share in joint exploration of copper and gold and zinc projects in the state. There's a number of other companies from all over the world, although a lot of them do come from are headquartered in Vancouver that explore in the state. And some of the bigger mines actually are operated by Canadian companies, Kinross, Teck, and some American companies like Hecla and Coeur d'Alene Mines.
And in general, Alaska seems to be a mining-friendly climate. What are the benefits of mining in Alaska?
Sure. Alaska is built on resource development. We have huge oil fields which power the state economically, but mining plays a significant role. The challenge we have is it's a frontier. There's very little infrastructure, and so deposits have to be truly world-class for the most part to make the hurdle into production. So that's the challenge. That and I would call them anti-development NGO groups. Those are the challenges, but the geology is fantastic. I mean, the potential to find giant mineral deposits is truly spectacular.
You mentioned a few challenges there. Is there anything else you'd like to add, conversely on the flip side for Alaska?
The state really does promote development. There are enormous deposits to be found, and it's so underexplored. I mean, so there truly is the potential to find more. Okay. And that's, as a geologist, that's my job, and that's what we like the most about exploring them.
And First Nations group are having more of an impact on mining projects in Canada and the US these days. How is the Minerals Commission helping Alaska to navigate that climate?
Right. In Alaska, we don't call it First Nations. They're natives with a capital N. And in Alaska, land claims have been resolved for over 40 years now. Companies were formed, native-owned companies, and they are extremely successful. Some of the native companies measure their net worth in billions of dollars. They're very pro-resource development. They own mineral rights, oil and gas rights, timber rights, and they like to develop these resources. So we work hand in hand with native corporations to develop resources. We like to explore on their land. Our company has several times had mineral agreements with native corporations, and we do right now.
Okay, and also looking at the Northern Dynasty story, looking at the onerous wetlands mitigation, which the Alaska Minerals Commission has done some work with, it seems that environmental concerns are having more of an effect. Is that something that you're seeing?
What we see is that the federal United States government is becoming more overbearing in their oversight and regulation of mining projects. And I think it's one of the deterrents to exploration and development in the United States in general and in Alaska. The Pebble project is in a place that has some fantastic fisheries, and so it's sensitive. And so we've seen quite a wave of opposition against that particular project. The whole state should not be painted that way. There's other areas that are very friendly towards mining and are much more encouraging to mineral developers. But it's been a very interesting story to watch unfold. It's a long way from its ending. and we'll just have to see how it plays out.
Thanks for joining me, Greg.
Thank you, Teresa.
Millrock trades on the TSXV under the symbol MRO. For Resource Investing News, I'm Teresa Matich.